This is one of the famous interview question which I was faced in HSBC, IVU by any another startup companies. So here the interviewer will ask me like I need to get the substring without using any inbuilt functions, string inbuilt functions. So he has given one input like for example here Java bytes, and output he wants like I need to check whether this output bytes is present in Java or not without using any string building functions. So the approach for this one is like what we can say. The approach here is like simple bytes and Java. So what we have to do, we need to check the two conditions. What I have given used here like for loop I have used. What I am doing here, what main string we got, and we are subtracting with this substring. So here the length should be around like this Java bytes length is 10 I guess, 10, and this is 5. So 10 minus 5, 5. So 5 times we are checking like whether these letters are present or not, and then if these letters are found, then what we are doing here, I will show you, like you will get to know like in practical way you will get, because if I directly explain this logic you won't get. Here Java bytes are there, his main string length is 10 and your substring length is 5, right? So our approach is what we are doing here in this logic. In this logic what we are doing, we are subtracting the thing like what we are finding the difference between these two. Till that time we are iterating. So how, I will show you. See, so first time what we are doing in this logic, if you see, we are taking I is equal to 0 and j is equal to 0. I is equal to 0, I is 0 plus j is equal to 0. M of 0, m of 0 should be j. So we are taking the j and we are checking that j is present in this one is matching or not. No, it is not matching. Okay, then we are checking that we are incrementing value of this main substring to 1. We are checking it is present or not. No. Then we are checking b is present or not. No. Then a is present or not. No. Till till fifth, till 5 term, 0 1 2 3 4. Till here we are checking. Till here we are checking. Okay, we didn't find this one. B is, we didn't find b in this one. Then what we are doing here, we got this b, right? And what here, this condition became false after this. So we are checking like we are incrementing then j value. If this one is reaches to till this max height, this maximum length, then what we are doing, we are incrementing this j value, and this j value we are checking whether j value, we are incrementing j value and checking with our last value. What is our last value? It is 5, right? This is 5 value we are checking. So this one we are checking. So how we are checking? First one is what we say 4, and b is now 0, right? B of sorry b, uh, this one 5, yeah, b is there. So we are checking here, j is equal to 0, j is equal to 0, yeah, j is equal to 0. N of j is like 5. What is the value present in the 5? Here b is there, and in here 0 b. So b matches with b, condition true, right? But this condition, if you see, 5 is matching with 5, it is equals, but we are using not equals. Why we are using not equals? Because we will try to iterate till we didn't find the condition not equals. Finally after then we will check this condition. So we are checking b, then y we are checking with this y, then t is checking with this t, and e is checking with this e, and s we are checking with s. Finally if this condition fails, what we are doing, we are taking that j value. J is like of j of 0 is 4. 4 we are checking with what is the substring length. Substring length is 5. This two are matching, then we are printing this one. I know like you will get some confusion while I am explaining this one, because this logic is somewhat complex. When I will debug and show you how we can easily achieve this one. So let's debug. Switch. Now you can see main substring is there containing 1 second. Java bytes. Now once again I will run this one. Now you can see main string contain Java bytes and bytes. So here if you see what first thing we are doing in this logic, you see here this logic, main string and substring we are subtracting. Why? Because we want till our length, till what we say, till our fifth 5, till maximum length 5, we will check that mainstream value is present in substring or not. So same thing we are doing here. See, I is equal to 0. If I click F6, now you can see I value is 0 and j value is equal to 0. Here F6, if you do F6, then you can see I is equal to 0 and j is equal to 0. So mainstream 0, mainstream 0 is j, right? Mainstream 0 is j and substring 0 is b. So here j b, so jb, definitely it is not equals this condition true, right? This condition became true. It will go here and it will break and he will check here what is the j value. J value is 0. And what is the match substring value? Match substring value is 1 second, I will match substring value is here. If you see, Java bytes value is 10, match substring value is 5. So j is equal to 0, it is not matching, right? Then we go F6, break. See, now I is equal to 0. Now I will become 1. J is 0 because j is 0. Here if you see, j is 0. F6. Now you can check m of 1 plus 0. M of 1, m of 1 is a and j is obviously 0. So 0 means b. So here if you see, uh, a is equal to b. No, this condition became true because we are checking it is not equals. It will go here, break, and it will check here because j is equal to 0. It won't match. Substring length is 5. No, it is won't match. Same thing will go for b. Here now, here if you see, I value is 2. I value is 2 is v. So v doesn't match with b, correct? Go here, break. Now same thing we will do. What is the I value is 3. A matches with b. No, it won't match. Same condition will apply. What is the I value here? 4. What is the 4? Space 4 is no. This condition also become fails. Break. Now it will go here. Now what is the I value is 5. And what is the j value? F6, 0. Okay, 5 plus 0. What is 5? 5 plus 0. 5 is b, and this b is matches. Yes, condition matches. But here the thing is we are using not equals. We are not using like this. We are not using like this one. uh, we are not using like this condition. A is equal to a, like we are not using equal operator, right? So here b is equal to b, condition is matching. But here we are using not equals. So not equals means this condition is not matching. Then it again it will go F6. What is the j value now? J value increment to 1. If you see, j value is 1. Now if you see, m of 5 is there and this one is 1. So 5 plus 1, 6. What is the 6y? Here j value is 2. J value is, sorry, 1. 5 plus 6, here if you see, 5, 1. 5 plus 1, 6, y. Y matching y? Yes, y is matching y. Once again j value is incremented. Now j value will be now 2. What is present in t? Here also I is equal to 5. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. This t is matching. Then e will match to this e. Then s will match to s. Here same thing we are doing. Now 3 is there, e. Now 4. S is matching to S. Now it became 5. What is substring? 5 less than 5. If you take F6, 5 is less than 5. Condition is 5 less than 5. Condition will become false. Then it will come to here. If 5 is there and substring length is, if you see control shift I, you will get 5. 5 is matching 5. We are returning 2. The simple approach is like, first we are finding the difference between these two, and we are checking from substring. We are extracting J is present in B, A is present in B is present in B here till substring length. Since substring length we are doing this thing B. Then after, then what we are doing, if we reach out to that length, this length, if we reach out, so what we are doing, if we reach out to this length, then that we are using that length, and we are incrementing the J value. And in J value we are checking like whether J, this B is present or not, Y is present or not, T is present or not, E is present or not, S is not present or not. After then, if condition became, if J also reaches to our second string, also reaches to some position, then we are using one condition, we are checking. So I think you got this idea. It is very easy approach, like a simple approach is there. Just you need to think how we are doing the flow. Just copy this code and check, debug, and think like how you are going on. Then you will be able to get this one. First time you won't get this thing.
Hello guys, today I will discuss one of the famous interview question which one of my friend faced in Logato or Oracle HCL. He has faced this question. So let's see what interviewer asked him. So interviewer asked me like he has given one input like how are you? So what we want to find, like we need to find the length of the last word of a string. So here if you see last word of a string is you, and we need to find the length of a that string. So the approach is very simple. Like we have a one string, how are you? So here if you see, if you want to find the length of a string, we need only you. So we can do one thing like we can go with reverse way. Like I have already teach you the previous tutorials like how we can find the reverse of a string. Same way we'll go for this reverse for like int I is equal to 0, I is equal to s dot limit next small 0 I decrement. So if we go with this approach, what we will able to find this one. So but we need to make sure one thing, like if we find the space, then we need to break this one. Like we don't need to iterate from this to this, what we said, till here to this one, we don't need to iterate. Just we need this thing and we need to stop the execution. So how we will do, what we will do, if we find the, what we say, if, if, if we find the space, if character equal to space, then what we will do, we will break this one. And finally, what is the string present, then we will put that string. So I will show you in practical way how we can achieve this one. It is very simple. We have a string, how are you, and we have a word and we have a character. For loop, it is equal to 0, let's drop line a plus plus. The character which we have taken char ch is equal to is dot character I, because we need to find every character. Based on that character we need to do. If yes over equals to space here, if we write this context here is not, sorry, here not equals to, I need to take by mistake I have 10 equals. So not equals to space, then we need to add u. We are one character we are taking. We are taking y u o y. So we are putting in a word equal to yes plus, right? For example, if this condition fail, for example, if we reach out to this position, for example, if we reach out to this position in this space, So what we'll do? We will break. We'll break at this position. So same way I'm doing here. Else break. But one thing is that we need to find a count. So count, we need to find the length of the string. So what we will do, we will take one variable int. Length we can make about 0. Here 0. But window will find the length. Here, here. Oh, then so finally we need to print the string. Yes, what save run this. See, go 1 second. Sorry, I need to explain. Sorry, s dot length spoil. If you go this way, like if you will see, you will be able to see how it is printing and then the issues. Save this one. Go. You can see you last word and the value of font is 3. So like this you need to do. Just I will explain in debug way also, like you will get to know what I have done. Now you can see we have a word, we have a string value. How are you is there. So now we have a one character. So it has taken one character. We see F6, then you can see. You can see we have character U is checking. U is not equal to space. Yes, it is not equal to space. We'll go here. And what we are assigning U, we are assigning what is empty. If we see F6, now what contain U, and we have count. Now count is 0. You see F6, where you can see count is 1. Same way it will go with other thing. Other I value is now 9. You see F6, where you can see O. O is not equal to space. Yes, where you can see what is U, where you can see what contain what we have O. And previously U is there. OU and length is 1. So click. Now length is 2. Same way for that this one also. Here we can see F6, where you can see Y is there. Now Y is not equal to space. Yes, condition. Or what contain OU. F6 we can do. Y is there. Now what contain total U, and length value will be 2, and now it will be become 3. Now if you see the the I value is now this one 7. You can see 6 space F6. This condition became false. Now it will go to else and will break. So I have shown you like how we can find the frequency of a string. So here our the requirement is we need to find the first unique character in a string. So approach is very simple. Like here A, B, C, this he has given that string. So here what we have to do, we need to find that C occur one time and B occur one time. So we need to print C. The approach is same like before watching this video, just watch my previous videos, like how we can find the frequency. So if you get to know it after watching this video, come to this video, you will check like we are using map entry point intersect. So what I am doing here, entry dot get value I am making as 1, because we need to find unique value that is one occur one time. Here you see D occur one time, or here we can see C is also there. C occur only one time. I will wait here one time. So C occur one time. So what we are doing, we are writing condition like int dot get value is equal to 1, then only we are printing this. So we want only what we want, we want only C. So what we have to do after this, we need to stop the execution. For stop the execution, we need break. We use break, we can stop the execution like on. We will be able to see C. Sometime the interview will ask you print T. So what you will do? We can't use this approach. So what we will do here, thing is, we will use one quant. Like quant is equal to 0 here. In quant is equal to 0, we will assign. We will use after this. We will use one more condition. If quant is equal to 1, then only it will print. Here what we will do, here we make quant plus plus, right? Now print this and write this. Oh, we are getting some error. I think, yeah, errorless format. On this, there is some issue. I think on we need to use if this for 1 second. This one we need to use. T is equal to 1. So based on the count, we will get to know like we need to print second value, third value. If you want to print third value, use to 3. So like this is the way like to write the logic. So thanks for watching. Share to your colleagues, friends.